In this lesson, we are going to talk about the amino acids. So first, what is an amino acid? An amino acid is a naturally occurring compound that is composed of an amino group and a carboxylic acid group. And all amino acids contain both charges, the positively charged and the negative charged. Such species are called zwitterion. A general structure of the zwitterion is as follows. So here we have an alpha amino acid. Why we call it alpha? Because the alpha carbon is directly linked to the carboxylic acid. Also, we can see here that we have a side chain, an R side chain. So, according to this side chain, the type of the side chain has a profound effect on the biological activity of the molecules or the macromolecules that are composed of amino acids, such as proteins. So, proteins are composed mainly of amino acids. And according to the side chain, we can classify the amino acids in 4 groups. That are the amino acids that have a non-polar R chain, polar side chain, negatively charged side chain, and positively charged side chain. We give an example for each class. The non-polar amino acid is, for example, the alanine, which has this structure. So here we can see that the methylene group is non-polar and is uncharged. Also with the polar side chain that is also uncharged, we have the serine. So here we have alanine. We just write the 3 first letters of the name of the amino acid. Now we have the serine amino acid of this structure. And the CH2OH. So here we have a polar side chain which is uncharged. So both of these class are uncharged. Now the third class of amino acid which has a negatively side chain, for example the aspartic acid with this structure. Here we have a negatively charged side chain, and the last one with a positively charged side chain. So here we have the aspartic acid, and the last one is the arginine with this chemical structure. Here we have carbon, so we can see here that we have a positively charged chain. Now let's talk about the configuration of the amino acids. We know that all the naturally occurring amino acids have chiral carbon, that is the alpha carbon that is linked to the carboxylic acid. So all are chiral except for the glycine. Glycine amino acid has the carbon of the alpha carbon of the glycine amino acid is not chiral because it has 2H. But all the others are chiral. For example, alanine has a chiral alpha carbon. So all the others exist either in S enantiomeric form or R enantiomeric form. But all the amino acids that compose the proteins are in the S enantiomeric form. There is one amino acid that is not in the S form, which is the cysteine that exists as in the R form. So the cysteine exists as R enantiomeric form, and all the others are in the S form. Now let's summarize. All the amino acids can be classified into one of the four classes that contains a polar or a non-polar side chain, polar side chain, negatively side chain, or positively charged side chain. And also, all the amino acids that are found in proteins are S amino acids.